Hey, it's Leo, and today I am super excited because I'm here at Lanier Technical College here in Cumming, Georgia. And today I'm going to teach 800 people how to unleash their inner innovator with LEGO Serious Play. I got my little minifig, and it's going to be amazing. We are the innovators, the disruptors, the pioneers. We explore new thoughts and ideas. We know there are limitless possibilities. We are never afraid to push boundaries and challenge the status quo because we believe there's a better future. Innovation is a call for change, a call for disruption, a call to create a better future for yourself, your team, and your organization. Your best thoughts, your best ideas are waiting to be unleashed. So rise up, innovators of today and tomorrow, so that your passions can rise, your ideas soar, and you can create the future you want to see today. Will you answer the call?